Hi, in this video, we are going to see how to factor a quadratic polynomial, that is x square positive px positive qx positive pq. Here we have two unknown constants p and q, but the values of those two unknown constants are given. So that is p is equal to 5 and q is equal to 13. Okay, to factor the given polynomial, first we have to plug in the values for p and q. So x square positive. So we can plug in p is equal to 5, then it will become 5x. Positive q is equal to 13, then it will become 13x. P times q, then 5 times 13. So x square positive 18x positive 5 times 13 will be 65. Okay, now we have to factor this quadratic polynomial. So this is in standard form. And here the coefficient of x square is just 1. So we have to factor this constant term positive 65. Okay, now I have to get two factors for this positive 65 such that the product of the two factors is equal to positive 65 and the sum of the two factors is equal to the middle term positive 18. So it's positive 5 and positive 13. When I multiply positive 5 and positive 13, it's positive 65. When I add them, so positive 5, positive 13, it will be positive 18. So the two factors of this quadratic polynomial is going to be x positive 5 times x positive 13. So the factored form of the given quadratic polynomial is x positive 5 times x positive 13, where p is equal to 5, q is equal to 13. I think everyone can understand how to factor a quadratic polynomial like this. Thank you.